Hello, incredible learners, and welcome to Tailcrafter English. Today, you're not just watching a video, you're standing at the edge of a life-changing adventure. Imagine this. You're speaking English confidently, your voice clear, your words powerful. People listen, smile, and nod as you share your dreams. That future is closer than you think. But let me ask you something raw, something real. Are you afraid of English? Does it feel like a mountain too tall to climb? If you're nodding, this is your wake-up call. Today, we're tearing down that fear. You're not just learning English, you're conquering it. Stay with me, because this story will light a fire in your soul and show you how to make English your superpower. Let's dive in. Let's be honest. English can feel scary. The words twist your tongue. The grammar feels like a puzzle with missing pieces. Maybe you've tried before, opened a book, watched a video, or even spoken a few words, and then froze. Your heart raced. Your mind went blank. You thought, I'm not good enough. I'll never get this. I know that feeling. I've been there. And so have millions of people just like you. But here's the truth no one tells you. Fear isn't your enemy. Fear is a signal. It's your heart saying, this matters. This is important. Every time you feel that fear, it's proof you're on the edge of something big. Something that could change your life. English isn't just a language, it's a key. It unlocks jobs, friendships, travel, and dreams. It's the door to a world where you can tell your story, share your ideas, and shine. So, why do we let fear stop us? Why do we let it steal our dreams? Close your eyes for a moment. Picture yourself 1 year from now. You're speaking English with ease. You're laughing with new friends from America, Australia, or the UK. You're applying for that dream job, and your English is so strong they can't say no. You're posting videos online, inspiring others with your story. That version of you is real. It's waiting. But it needs one thing, your courage to start today. Let me tell you about Mia. A girl just like you. Mia grew up in a small village where no one spoke English. She dreamed of studying abroad, but English terrified her. Every time she tried to speak, her voice shook. She mispronounced words and felt embarrassed. People laughed, and she wanted to give up. Sound familiar? But one day Mia made a choice. She said, I'm done being afraid. I'm going to conquer English. She didn't have fancy teachers or expensive apps. She had a notebook, a pen, and a burning desire to change her life. Every morning, she learned 5 new words. Simple words like sun, smile, hope. She wrote them down, said them out loud, and used them in sentences. The sun is bright. I smile today. I have hope. Her voice was shaky at first, but she kept going. At night, Mia listened to English songs. She didn't understand every word, but she sang along, copying the rhythm, the sound. She watched cartoons, simple ones like Peppa Pig, and repeated the sentences. I like to jump in puddles, she'd say, laughing at herself. She made mistakes. Lots of them. But every mistake was a step forward. 6 months later, Mia was different. She could introduce herself in English. She could ask for directions. She even made a friend online from Canada, and they chatted in English. A year later, Mia won a scholarship to study in Australia. Today, she's a teacher, helping others learn English. Mia didn't start with talent. She started with courage. And that's all you need. You might be thinking, that's great for Mia, but I'm different. I'm too old, too busy, too scared. Stop. Let me tell you something. You are enough. Right now, exactly as you are. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know every word or rule. You just need to start. English is like a game. At first, the rules seem hard. But the more you play, the easier it gets. And here's the secret. You're already playing. Every English word you know, hello, thank you, good, is a point on the scoreboard. Every time you try, you're winning. You're a beginner, and that's powerful. Beginners have no limits. They can grow, learn, and surprise the world. Think about this. Babies learn languages without books or apps. They listen, copy, and try. They make funny sounds and keep going. You learned your first language that way. You can learn English the same way. It's not about being smart. It's about being stubborn. It's about saying, I won't give up. I will conquer this. Now let's get practical. I'm giving you a simple, beginner-friendly plan to conquer English. This isn't about boring grammar or long textbooks. This is about making English fun, exciting, and yours. Follow these steps, and I promise you'll see progress in weeks. Words are the bricks of English. Start small. Every morning, pick 5 easy words. Write them down. Say them out loud. Use them in simple sentences. For example, word happy. Sentence, I am happy today. Word run. Sentence, I run in the park. Practice these words all day. Say them while you brush your teeth, cook, or walk. Make it a game. By the end of the week, you'll know 35 new words. In a month, that's 150. In a year, over 1,800 words. Enough to have real conversations. Babies learn by listening. You can too. Find simple English content. Cartoons, songs, or podcasts for beginners. Try Peppa Pig or Bluey for fun stories. Listen to songs like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star or Let It Go. Don't worry about understanding every word. Just let the sounds sink in. Copy the way they speak. Sing along. Your brain will start to recognize patterns. Aim for 10 minutes a day. You can listen while you eat breakfast or ride the bus. Over time, you'll notice words popping up. You'll hear happy or run and smile because you know them. Speaking is where the magic happens, but it's also where fear lives. Here's how to beat it. Talk to yourself. Yes, really. Stand in front of a mirror and say, hello, I'm your name. I'm learning English. I'm awesome. It feels silly, but it works. Your voice needs practice, just like your legs need to walk. Next, try simple sentences. Describe your day. I eat rice. I go to work. I like music. Make mistakes. Laugh at them. Mistakes are your teachers. If you're brave, find a language partner online. Apps like HelloTalk or Tandem connect you with English speakers who want to learn your language. Swap stories. Start with, hi, I'm new. Let's practice. English is about sharing who you are. Every week, write a short story. 3 sentences is enough. For example, today I walk in the park. The sun is warm. I feel happy. Read it out loud. Share it with a friend or post it online. Your story matters, and English is your tool to tell it. Learning English is a journey. Some days you'll feel unstoppable. Other days, you'll want to quit. When you feel stuck, come back to Tailcrafter English. Watch our videos. Listen to stories like Mia's. Remind yourself why you started. You're not just learning a language, you're building a new you. Close your eyes again. Picture this. It's 5 years from now. You're sitting in a cafe in London, New York, or Sydney. You order coffee in perfect English. The waiter smiles and chats with you. You tell a joke and everyone laughs. You're not afraid anymore. You're free. Your English has opened doors you never imagined. New friends, a better job, a world of possibilities. That life isn't a dream. It's real. But it starts with one step. Today. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Right now. Pick one word. Say it out loud. Smile. You're on your way. This is your moment. English isn't a monster to fear. It's a mountain to climb. And you're stronger than you know. Every word you learn, every sentence you speak, is a victory. You're not just a learner. You're a conqueror. You're a tale crafter, weaving your story with every step. So what's next? Don't wait for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Start now. Learn one word. Sing one song. Speak one sentence. The journey won't be easy, but it will be worth it. I believe in you. The world is waiting to hear your voice. Go out there and conquer English. You are unstoppable.